Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and other Android smartphone, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can send call history. So at the first we have to open Smart Switch application on both smartphones. If you don't have it, you have to get it from the Play Store, but you will probably get it on your Samsung, and on this other Android smartphone you have to get from the Play Store. Let's click Let's Go, choose wireless, and then just wait until they find each other automatically. Click here Accept. Click all on Select, then go simply for the calls and the contacts, then enter for this arrow. And if you don't want to send all contacts, you have to unselect these things, and we are only leaving selected voice and the video call history. Click Done. Tap to transfer. As you can see, the transfer is complete. It was very fast. So right now let's check what is here on the dialer, and here we got all of this calls that we make on this phone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.